Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but it's actually in rising every time we fall. I hope you enjoyed that. Ciao, my friends. So today is Tuesday, and we all know how Shelley loves Tuesdays around here. Today is my weigh-in day and my shot day. And every time before I make my videos or post my videos, I've always taken my shot, and I did. I took my shot already today, and I'm still on 10 milligrams, but I don't have good news for you, or it's for me. It's me. I gained 1/2 a pound, which really, it's kind of being a little technical. I could say I stayed the same, but it's not the truth. And we all keep the truth around here. So I gained 1/2 a pound, 0.5 of a pound when I got weighed this morning. And I don't really know why. My diet never changes, but I think that maybe it could be that I suffer a lot from migraines, and I have to take a lot of medicine for my migraines, and that may have something to do with it. I did notice one other time that I gained slightly, like 1/2 a pound, after I had a migraine. So yesterday was very difficult for me because I had a very bad migraine, which sent me to my cold, dark cave of a bedroom. So I think that that's probably why. But anyway, last week I stayed the same, which was good and not good. And today, not so good because I gained 1/2 a pound. But I'm going to leave it like that. I don't know why. I didn't do anything wrong, but it's life. Your body fluctuates in the weight. It will never always be the same weight every day. So last week was week 25, and next week, well, today actually, will be my starting of week 26. And I don't have any changes in my diet because I always eat carnivore, so that always stays the same. I don't have any new things to report because it's just the same. I don't have anything different other than I was a little more hungry this week. Maybe that's because I'm still on 10. I know the doctor won't put my medicine up. He will probably tell me to stay on the 10 rather than going on the 12.5, which is okay. Most of the time, I am satisfied. I don't have to feel hungry, or I feel hungry and then I eat. But I don't eat any more than I should. I am very careful with my diet, but I don't know. So that's the result today. I gained 1/2 a pound. I am okay with that. It's only 1/2 a pound, and next week, probably I will see a loss on the scale. So what was your weigh-in? Did you lose anything? Did you gain anything? Probably, maybe stayed the same. My friends, I will see you again next Tuesday for a weigh-in and shot day, but I will see you again tomorrow for an unboxing of something very special. Ciao, my friends. Enjoy your day.